Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss the right and responsibility of citizens under the law. Right protect individual freedom, dignity and equality, while responsibility ensure order and justice in society. Understanding this balance is essential for maintaining the rule of law. My name is Muhammad Ilhan Rafi Arahab and this is my presentation. Citizenship under the law is built upon a careful balance between rights and responsibility. Rights protect individual freedom, dignity, and equality, ensuring that every person is treated fairly before the law. At the same time, responsibilities guide how those rights are exercised so that personal freedom does not disrupt social order or harm others. When rights and responsibility are balanced, the law functions not only as a system of rules but as foundation for justice and democratic life. Okay, conceptual framework of citizen right and responsibility. In a legal state, citizenship is defined not only by legal status but also by a normative relationship between individual and the state. Conceptually, citizen rights are understood as legal entitlement inherent to individuals by virtue of their citizenship, instrument to protect human dignity, liberty, and equality, guarantees against arbitrary use of state power. Citizens' responsibility are understood as legal and moral obligation rising from membership in a political community, duties necessarily to ensure social order and collective welfare, mechanism to balance individual freedom with public interest, and last key theoretical principle, right and responsibility are reciprocal and inseparable. The existence of one purpose the other. Now, legal and civil right of citizen. Legal system recognize citizen right as fundamental protection that limits state authority and empower individuals. Core legal and civil right include equality before the law, ensuring non-discrimination and impartial legal treatment, legal certainty and protection, safeguarding individuals from arbitrary decision due process of law, including the presumption of innocence and fair trial guarantee, freedom of expression, allowing citizens to voice opinion within legal limits, freedom of religion and conscience, protecting personal belief system, freedom of association and assembly, enabling collective action and civil participation. Legal significance. This right function as checks on state power and as foundation of democratic governments. Responsibility and legal obligation of citizens. Citizen responsibility ensure that individual freedoms do not undermine social stability. Fundamental responsibility include obedience to the law as the primary condition of legal order, respect for the rights of others, preventing abuse of individual freedom, payment of taxes, enabling the function of the state and public service, maintenance of public order and social harmony, participation in national defense when mandated by law, responsible civic engagement, including ethical participation in democratic process, legal rationale is responsibility operate as corrective mechanism that prevent right from becoming instrument of domination or chaos. And for the last, political and socio-economic right of citizen. Political and socio-economic rights enable citizens to actively engage in public life and social development. Such rights include participation in election and representative institution, involvement in public policy and decision-making process, equal service, access to public facility and service, legal protection for social welfare, and minimum living standard where applicable, and normative objective is to encourage active citizenship and inclusive governance to reduce structural inequality through legal recognition. And last conclusion presentation, right and responsibility of citizen under the law constitute an inseparable foundation of a rule of law state. Right function to protect individual freedom, dignity, and equality, while responsibility ensure that these rights are exercised in a manner that prefers social order and collective interest. The balance between the two is essential to prevent both the abuse of state power and the misuse of individual freedom. Therefore, a legal system can achieve justice, stability, and democratic legitimacy only when citizen rights are effectively protected and their legal obligations are responsible fulfilled. Okay, guys, I think that all of my presentation, and in case I don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.